Welcome back. Illegal trade of laterite stone is being carried out in Sanguem Canacona area. The stones are illegally transported via Ambegad. Forest check post has no clue about it. Laterite transporters were caught red-handed while carrying stone without possessing any legal pass. It's a Prudent exclusive. This activity is on since long, a regular illegal trade. Have a look at these trucks. They move from Sanguem to Canacona via Ambeghat. And what is there in these trucks? Laterite stones. Stones are being transported illegally without having any legal pass. The truck drivers also seem not aware that pass is mandatory for transportation. The pass mentions quarrying site of laterite stones being transported and the destination of the truckload.
पास असतं तुमच्याकडे पास बी असा पास ना मग खंयच्यान हाडले आतां खंय मग खंय घालपाचें खंय गेटी कडेन फाल्ले फातर चिरे पास बीन कितें आहा तुमचे कडेन पास बीन कितें आहा हेजो ना न्ही कितें घेवन गेल्ले तुमी कितें घेवन गेल्ले चिरे खंय घातले तुमी खंयच्यान हाडलेले तुमी चिरे आं पिल्ला न्ही कितें हाडला चिरे खंयच्यान हाडला ग खंय व्हरताले पास बी कितें आहा तुमचे कडेन चिऱ्याचो
We spoke with the forest guard at the forest check post, but seems like he too is not aware about it.
हांगच्यान अशी दिसा चिऱ्याची गाडी कितले वयता दिसांतल्यान हां ना अशी अंदाज कितले वयता सात आठ वयता मागीर तुमी पास बी मागता तेंचे कडेन पास मागना तुमकां सिनियरान तशें कितें सांगलां पास बी पळयान गाडी सोडा बी म्हणटा तशें कितें सांगलां तुमच्या ऑफिसरांनी काय सांगना न्ही अजुनी म्हळ्यार अशी वयता गाडी डेली.
Divakar Desai, resident of Canacona, has filed a complaint raising issue of illegal laterite stone extraction and transportation.
इल्लीगल चिऱ्या मायनिंग स्टार्ट आहे म्हणून कंप्लेंट केल्ली आसा.
खंयच्यान स्टार्ट आहा आतां
वाडे आनी पिल्लासन
खंय ते
सांगे मतदारसंघाच्यो आमे घाटान चालू आसा काणकोणा येताय
आमे घाटान काणकोणा येता ग
हय हय डायरेक्ट गाडयो आनी 15 दिवस 16 गाडयो दिसा येताय डेली सामक्यो.
तू किती प्रॉब्लेम आता गाडी येयले जाल्यार
त्यो इल्लीगल येताय न्हू ते आनी आमी लायसन होल्डर मनीस आमी लायसन आसून सुद्दां आमकां आमगे माल कोरी उरता आमकां माला गिरायक ना आनी तेंगे सामक्यो डायरेक्ट गाडी येवन वाड्यान घालपा लागले म्हणटा आमकां कांयच ना थिंगा. मायनिंग येदी व्हडली मायनिंग बंद जाला आनी हे आतां मायनिंगच्या वयलो हो मायनिंग व्हडलो हो घोटाळा जाला चिऱ्यांचो. हेतून आतां सरकारान लक्ष घालून घेवन सरकारान पळोवपा जाय न्हू हे आतां हे कॉपी केल्या मायनिंग डायरेक्टराक कॉपी केला मडगांव कलेक्टराक केला साउथ गोवा केप्यांच्या डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक केला.
Our reporter from Canacona, Babesh Borkar. Sunburn festival has started at Kandoli beach, but by violating most of the guidelines assured to the High Court. Goa government and the organizers had assured the court that no alcoholic drinks and smoking will be allowed at the festival venue. But liquor and cigarettes are being sold by the organizers themselves at venue. Mukesh Kumar reports.
Famous as musical party of the year, the Sunburn festival has started here at Kandoli beach. During 3 days long festival, more than 100 national and international artists are going to perform here.
Getting permission to organize this festival was under cloud as 2 PILs was filed before the High Court of Bombay at Goa to stop this festival. But finally the festival got green signal from the High Court after Goa government and the organizers assured the court that festival will be organized according to law and rules and supervised strictly. Main guidelines were no alcoholic drinks at the festival venue, no smoking at the venue, music will not be played after 10 PM, no drugs at the venue. But interestingly, when our reporter visited at the venue, we noticed that many of the assurances were blatantly violated.
Goa government had assured the High Court that the alcoholic drinks and the smoking will be banned here inside the festival premise. But you can easily see in my behind that cigarettes are being sold and the alcoholic drinks are also being sold here.
With video journalist Omkar Ferrari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Diesel prices may be hiked by 10 rupees per litre over a 10-month period. Kerosene rates will also be increased by same quantum over the next 2 years. Sources say that this proposal is being mulled in Union Oil Ministry and is likely be accepted as government has no other choice.
State-owned oil companies currently sell diesel at a loss of Rs 9.28 per litre. Price of diesel, which currently costs Rs 47.15 per litre in Delhi, was last revised in September when it was hiked by a steep Rs 5.63 per litre. Oil Ministry sources say, "We are left with no choices. There is a need to raise prices. The government is contemplating raising diesel prices by Rs 1 per litre each month for the next 10 months to bring retail rates at par with their costs." Kerosene rates have not changed since June last year, and it currently costs Rs 14.79 per litre in Delhi. The source in Oil Ministry said, price of kerosene could be increased by Rs 10 over a 2-year period. Oil Ministry sources say, price of kerosene could be increased by Rs 10 over a 2-year period. While government is likely to raise soon the number of subsidized cooking gas, that's LPG, from 6 to 9 cylinders per household annually. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.